Martin Hurry blues guitar licks. Hey, Martin for bluesguitarlessons.ca. How are you? I hope you are doing well. Yes, thanks to be here in my YouTube channel. Yeah, thanks to like and subscribe my videos. Yeah, of course, remember to hit the bell so you will receive the notification every time I upload a video. Yes, today I bring you a concept. Yeah, we can add to our blues playing, which is using the half diminished arpeggio. Yes, why? Because we use the half diminished chord all the time in blues. Yeah, the thing is we call it ninth, but actually it's a half diminished. Yeah, this chord A ninth we call it in blues. Yeah, because my root is there, we don't play it. Well, you could use your thumb, which is kind of complicated. I think T-Bone Walker used to put the thumb here, yeah, like this. But the classic fingering we use all blues players is this one. We call it A ninth, but actually, if we think the root as this D flat, it's a D half diminished chord, also called D minor 7 flat 5, yeah, which is really used in jazz because it's the second degree of a minor key. Yeah, again, it's the second degree of my B minor here. Yeah? F sharp, B minor. But in blues, we don't use it like that. We just use it as a dominant chord, yeah? Ninth, that's my root. So we could play the arpeggio. We can add this half diminished arpeggio, yeah, to our blues playing, yeah, and get some interesting sounds. Actually, there's no outside notes. Yeah, it's pretty. Look, when we play the chord, if we think the A as our root, we play the major third of A, we play the flat seventh, a note we use all the time, the major third too. We play the ninth, it's less used, but it's there. It's not a weird sound. Yeah, and we play the fifth. I mean, all sounds we used to play every day in blues, except that ninth, but the difference is the order. You know, when you play it as an arpeggio, you know, it sounds more jazzy actually. But these are all notes we use every day in blues. Yeah. So a few examples. Remember, on my Patreon, you can find a pack of licks using this device. Yeah, using this half diminished or minor 7 flat 5 arpeggio. Yes. Just visit the link on my Patreon. You can subscribe, you can be a member of my Patreon and unlock a lot of lessons, packs of licks, yeah, tons of information for you. For this lesson, I will upload licks using this concept, yes. That's my fingering starting from the fifth root string, and that's my fingering, which is the same, yeah, starting from this note, yeah, which is my C sharp, which is the major third of my A. So an example, what can you do with this? I play blues over my A. Oh, nice, eh? Arpeggio. And now back to blues, position 2 of my minor. You know, as you can hear, I just play a few notes of the arpeggio, yeah, and then go straight into blues, you know, because I want to keep that bluesy flavor all the time in my playing, you know. If you play, or if you stay too long, yeah, outside your blues approach, it's not going to sound bluesy, you know. So be careful, yeah. Another idea, so. There you go. And now penta. Yes. And now for my fourth degree, okay? That's my finger. Remember, on my Patreon, you will find also a PDF with the fingerings, yeah, to download, yeah. Over my D9s, yeah. Oh, nice. Blues. Okay. Yes, so this is the concept. You need to learn the fingerings. Yeah, there's no shortcut. Yeah, you need to learn the fingerings and start blending the fingerings of the half diminished arpeggio with your blues. Yeah, licks with your blues phrasing. Yeah, what you used to play every day. You know. And you will find after a little practice, you will start getting interesting things. Yeah, you will start spicing up your classic blues. Yeah, adding this arpeggio, which, as I told you in the beginning of this video, it's not far of the notes we used to play every day. Yeah, it's there. We use all those notes. Yeah, the difference is how you mix the ingredients, how you mix up the ingredients of your recipe. Yeah, so that's the part of this alchemy, yes, here in music. Yeah, so I hope you like this lesson. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell, yes, for notifications. Visit my Patreon, visit all the links here in the description, and see you soon.